Alright, what's up, fam? Alright, today we got a little something. Today we got something a little bit special for you guys. I got something in the mail. So today I think we're gonna do our first unboxing on the channel. I'm super excited and I'm nervous at the same time because this will be my first unboxing. So yeah, let's get to it. Let's grab our unboxing knife. We got the box here. Alright. Tap these sides. Other side. Yo, I'm like super excited to find out. Well, for y'all to find out, I already know what it is. What's in this box? We get a whole bunch of bubble wrap and stuff. We don't need that. And look at this. What is this? Oh, what is this? I think y'all know what that is. I'm super excited to get that. Let's get rid of that box. Oh man, yeah. So we got so let's tear this mug open. I'm excited. Y'all excited? Woo! Okay, we got the Sensel Morph and the music production overlay. This is smaller than I thought it would be. This is like, let's just open it up. All right, let's just open it up. So we got the Sensel Morph, we got the interface. All right, get the plastic off. Woo! Nice little. Don't nobody care about the box. Nobody cares about the box. I never understood why people do that. All right, so look at what we have here. We have a nice, looks like a nice aluminum finish. This is way. I mean, it's still a nice decent size, but it's way smaller than I thought. Still a nice decent size, nice lightweight, and it's super slim too. I want to see if it has like some charge to it. It did come with a little bit of charge. Okay, all right, and all right. So let's look at what else we got in the box. We got some quick start instructions. Let's save that for later. Let me move this knife out the way before I mess something up. We have the overlay catalog, and we can save that for later too. And then we have the charging cable. It looks like a, what is this? Oh man, it's a USB, regular micro USB cable, a regular USB A. I guess that's to charge it and to hook it up into your devices. So that's all we got in the box. It looks like that's all we got in the box. So we got the Sensel, real lightweight. It's almost about the same size as my iPad, 10.5 iPad Pro. Actually, it's pretty much the same size as the 10.5 iPad Pro. It's slightly, I don't know if you can see that, but it's slightly smaller than the 10.5 iPad Pro. So I want to open up this overlay and see what we can get. We can get started. It's actually about the same size as the iPad Mini. Nah, it's a little bit bigger than the iPad Mini, but it's about the same thickness too as the iPad Mini. About the same thickness. Got your power button here. Power button here. I don't know what this is. It's probably like a receiver, and then you got your charging port here for your all right, let me get some of this stuff out the way. Where's my knife? Crack this mug open here. It looks real good, man. It's got a nice little aluminum finish, and it reminds me of like my my MacBook. And the it looks real iPad-ish, real Apple-ish, like Apple might have had something to do with this. It's taking me a while to get this open. Whoops, I did not mean to rip that. So we got the alright, so I don't know if you have to see that, but we have the music production overlay, and that feels pretty good. It's kind of rubbery silicone type texture. Feels pretty decent. We set that over there like, oh, it sticks to it like a magnet. Oh snap! Oh snap! Can you see that? I don't know if you can see that. Let me see. Can you see that? Can you see that little LED right here? I didn't expect it to be. Oh, I'm not even touching on it that hard, and it's super responsive. Oh, I'm barely tapping on that. I'm barely tapping on it. That's super responsive. Ooh. I want to see how this mug works inside of BeatMaker 3. If it works, let's see if it works straight out of the box. Let me see. I want to open up BeatMaker 3 and see if it works. I heard this thing was MIDI Bluetooth, so I want to see if that works straight out of the box with something like BeatMaker 3. Let's see. Alright, so maybe I need to set this up. It doesn't work with this straight out of the box Bluetooth. Maybe I can hook this up with the I'm gonna set it up with the Bluetooth. So this has been the first this has been the first unboxing. I like it. It's pretty compact, about the same size as the iPad 10.5. These buttons seem really responsive. You can tell like by the feedback on these little LEDs up here. They seem really responsive. I was gonna do this off camera, but I got too excited. And I'm glad I did wait so you guys can share this experience with me too. I'm excited to see what this thing can do inside of BeatMaker 3, or any other application that I want to try this with. Oh man, this is about to be crazy. So no Bluetooth MIDI, huh? Alright, so I'm gonna set this thing up on the laptop. I gotta download the software for it, and then maybe I'll show you guys what this thing can do later on this week. Ooh, alright, so yeah, I'm gonna set this up, and then I guess I'm gonna bring the video back to you guys and see if this thing actually works as a MIDI controller for BeatMaker 3. So yeah, thanks for tuning in for the unboxing of the Sensel Morph. Stay tuned, and I'll be back with an update. It's updating firmware. We got it updating. Yo, like I'm super excited. Like this is dope. This is dope. It looks great. Oh, yo, look at this. Look, watch this. Alright, so I'm pressing this, and this is, yo, the harder I press, yo, that's crazy. This thing is catching everything. I mean, like every little detail of how I'm impressed. I am impressed. Listen. Can it do 2 at once? Oh, snap. I don't know what any of that stuff means. Alright, so we'll be back after these messages.